We are hearing directly tonight from some of the federal government workers affected by the job cuts. Canada's largest public sector union held a rally on Parliament Hill today, delivering a message saying the whole country will feel the impact of the layoffs. CTV's Austin Lee joins us live in studio with the details on this, Austin.
Well, Patricia, more than 18,000 public servants have been handed notices that their jobs may be affected by the federal government's comprehensive expenditure review. And with thousands of jobs set to be cut, union leaders argue Canadians are being left in the dark.
These are important public services. We rely on them.
Tense times for public sector workers, as many like Daphne Chan learn they will soon be without a job.
I was more in shock at first, and then it was last Tuesday, and then later on during the week, I actually felt quite depressed and upset and almost sick.
She is one of thousands of workers impacted by the latest round of job cuts. Cuts union leaders warn will impact services from old age security to employment insurance.
These programs are the lifelines, and when the government cuts jobs at Employment and Social Development Canada, it isn't just cutting workers, it's cutting support for people at their most vulnerable moments.
The federal government is ramping up its efforts to cut 28,000 jobs over the next 4 years, sending more than 18,000 workforce adjustment notices to workers across 30 departments and museums, 15,000 of which were sent in just the past 2 weeks.
It's really tough at work, and the morale is really not good.
These cuts in the National Capital Region are going to deeply touch not just the individuals, but their families and their communities.
The rich got charity, Canadians got austerity!
Wednesday's rally calling on the federal government to share details on how services and programs could be affected.
It's just going to be tough because people are already complaining that the services aren't already good. So then if mass cuts, I don't know how the services are going to get any better.
Union leaders accusing the federal government of leaving Canadians in the dark.
This government needs to be very clear with the public on how many programs and services will be affected by the result of these reckless cuts.
Now, the federal government is looking to save $60 billion over the next 4 years through this comprehensive expenditure review. Again, part of that plan is by cutting 28,000 jobs from the public sector.